Spring and fall, the two seasons in which we can see some pretty big swings in our temperatures. A few days ago, just on Monday, we had a high in the lower 80s. We had lows this morning about 50 degrees below the lower 80s. We were around 34 officially at the airport this morning. A few local thermometers, maybe around 32, 33. We can expect something similar tomorrow morning, and freeze warnings and frost advisories are out for all of eastern Ohio and western PA overnight. Tonight, bring in those plants or cover them up tonight because frost will be a possibility, and we could touch the freezing mark in some spots yet again. If we do hit freezing at the airport, it would be the earliest first freeze of the season since 2012. Our 30-year average is about a week from now, October 16th. Last year we had our first freeze on October the 17th. So yeah, it's that time of the year. It's also the time of the year in which you need to bring down that visor if you're heading west during the 6 o'clock hour, because we have blinding sun just before sunset this evening on our Briarfield Healthcare Center's weather camera here in Boardman. 63 degrees. Look how low that dew point is at 39. The air is dry and with a clear sky and a relatively calm wind. That's a recipe for cold temperatures again. Again, 34 is what we're looking for on average, but 32 is going to be a possibility here and there as our Friday gets underway. Otherwise, Friday will be kind of like today. It'll be a nice afternoon, a little bit warmer than today. We had 60 today. I think we'll hit 65 in many places tomorrow with a few fair weather clouds in the mix during the second half of the day. We'll be in fine shape for high school football tomorrow evening. It'll just be chilly after starting in the mid 60s in the afternoon tomorrow. Temperatures will retreat down through the 50s and into the 40s tomorrow evening. Now we have a system coming our way over the weekend. This remains kind of a tricky forecast for the weekend because this system will be kind of falling apart a little bit as it comes east, but still it could spark a shower in some spots on Saturday. And the combination of that dying system along with a system going up the eastern seaboard might throw a little more moisture back our way Sunday. A chance for a couple of showers Sunday. Neither day is a washout, and there's quite a bit of model disagreement as far as how much rain we can expect this weekend. Some models have absolutely nothing. Some models would suggest we see up to maybe a quarter to a half an inch worth of rain. So it's a low confidence forecast in terms of the timing and the amounts of rain over the weekend. But just keep in mind that it's Saturday and then perhaps especially Sunday, we do have that chance for a couple of showers. We'll get any raindrops out of the way, though, by Monday, and we've got another nice stretch of weather coming our way next week. After a kind of a cool weekend, 63 Saturday and 64 on Sunday, we're back into the middle and upper 60s Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday with a fair amount of sunshine all 3 days. I think the second half of next week will be a little bit cooler. Temperatures by day, upper 50s, lower 60s, I think, during the second half of next week. But Monday through Wednesday, all looking pretty good. Madison?
Yeah, hey, not too bad. Thanks, Eric. Next on 21.